sarvasthoham akarteti druda bhavanaya anaga. We have to have this firm commitment that I am not the doer, but whatever I am supposed to do, I have to do it. And how to do that? Happily. Karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. As long as we are human beings, we are not supposed to live without any activity. Be dynamically involved, cheerfully, happily. See? So, sarvasthoham akarteti. And when this doership can be rejected, be attentive. Doership is rejected when you are expressing happiness through your action. When you are seeking happiness through your action, then you are expressing doership, the kartrutva abhiman. But when your actions are expressing happiness, then it is not doership, it is not kartrutva abhiman. Like, many ammas come and help me here. See, sometimes somebody comes and does the kitchen properly because it gets all messed up in 2 days. Then somebody comes and keeps, all the chairs, beds, etc. properly wiped and clean, dust free. So they are not doing it to get anything, but they are doing it happily. So in that seva, there is no kartrutva abhiman. May sevaka sacharachara rupa swami bhagavanta. So I am the servant of my wife, I am the servant of my children, I am the servant of my parents, and the servant is the one who is never getting insulted, but he works sincerely, happily, cheerfully. Be very firmly rooted that whatever we are doing, it is our need. Now the third point. So first is there is no option but to act. Nahi kashit kshanamapi jatu dishtati akarmakrut. You cannot remain without activity. If you are not active producing wealth, you will be active in bhoga. See, then you will not work hard. Then the second thing is that when we are living without kartrutva abhiman, only happiness will be expressed. And then we are not obliging anybody. Now the third thing, how not to oblige anybody, we have to remember, whatever we do in our life, it is our need. Nobody needs us. See, friends. And when we don't understand this, then we start blaming others. Don't blame anyone. See, friends. Therefore, sarvastoham akarteti druda bhavanaya anagha. Hey anagha, hey nishpap, hey sinless Ram. We have to sarvasthap aham. Under all conditions that akarta iti, I am not the doer. Now the fourth approach. The fourth approach is very simple. That yad yad karma karomi tat tadakilam shambho tavaradhana. So whatever we are doing the worship of the Lord. That is our upasana. See? Like if you go to the temple, there some people are sweeping the temple, they are doing the service. Some people are making the garlands, they are doing the service to the Lord. Some people are keeping the administration properly, that is the service to the God. So it doesn't matter what you are doing, what for whom you are doing is important. And if we are doing something for God, now the fifth point, it will be the best expression of our activity. See? If we are doing puja, we will not leave the things dirty as it is. Those poor gods have not taken bath for last 365 days. See? No. If you are doing, it has to be properly done. Cleanliness, sarvastoham akarteti druda bhavanaya anaga. Take all these 5 points into mind. Then pravaha patitam karma kurvan api. Then whatever comes with this attitude, whatever comes in your way, pravaha patitam. That means whatever, suppose you are a mother, then whatever the duties towards the children, suppose you are a husband, whatever is your duty towards your wife, pravaha patitam karma. It is due to you. This is what one says, karmanye vadhikaraste. So whatever is due to you, pravaha patitam karma, kurvan api na lippate. So when you are thus engaged in activities dynamically but without the kartrutva abhiman, living happily, cheerfully, knowing well that this is my need that I am doing and therefore it is done as a best piece of performance, such a person, kurvannapi na lipyate, he may be dynamically, actively busy in this world, but he will not be influenced by the karma phala, the result of the karma. Because he is not expecting anything. His expression of happiness itself is the completion of the karma. Not demanding or expecting happiness, then the karma phala comes.